Hello families, welcome to our virtual awards day program. I'm so excited to celebrate our students today. Our first student we are celebrating is Uriah Dubert. For third and fourth 9 weeks, Uriah earned Principal's Honor Roll, Most Improved, Excellent Illustrator, Math I-Ready Award. For yearly awards, Uriah receives AB Honor Roll. Next, we have Cooper Grote. For third and fourth 9 weeks, Cooper received Perfect Attendance, AB Honor Roll, Most Improved, and Reading I-Ready. Yearly awards include Perfect Attendance and LLI Award. Next, we have Stefan Gudikov. For third and fourth 9 weeks, Stefan receives AB Honor Roll, Most Improved, and Reading and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards include ESOL. Gabriel Kapanen. Third and fourth 9 weeks, Gabriel receives AB Honor Roll and Most Improved. Yearly awards, Gabriel receives AB Honor Roll. Next, we have Nathan Lee. Third and fourth 9 weeks, Nathan received Perfect Attendance and Principal's Honor Roll. Yearly awards, Nathan receives Perfect Attendance and Principal's Honor Roll. Anna Noli Lee. For third and fourth 9 weeks awards, Anna received Outstanding Character and Reading I-Ready. Next, we have Landon Mabry. For third and fourth 9 week awards, Landon received AB Honor Roll, Most Improved, and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards, Landon receives an LLI. Levi Nichols. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Levi receives Perfect Attendance, Principal's Honor Roll, Most Improved, and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards, Levi receives AB Honor Roll. Alina Olish. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Alina receives Perfect Attendance, AB Honor Roll, Most Improved, Reading and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards, Alina receives an ESOL award. Brennan Pierce. For third and fourth 9 week awards, Brennan receives Principal's Honor Roll, Most Improved, Citizenship Award, and Reading and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards include AB Honor Roll. Ava Polivka. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Ava receives AB Honor Roll and Reading and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards, AB Honor Roll. Aubrey Scruggs. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Perfect Attendance, Principal's Honor Roll, Reading I-Ready. Yearly awards include Perfect Attendance and Principal's Honor Roll. Gabriel Shackelford. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Perfect Attendance, AB Honor Roll, Most Improved. Yearly awards, Perfect Attendance. Lily Tillinghast. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Principal's Honor Roll, Reading and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards include AB Honor Roll and LLI. Yanghua Vang. Yearly awards include ESOL and Resource. Alina Verobeva. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Most Improved, Writing Excellence. Yearly awards include ESOL. Tatum Wall. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Perfect Attendance, AB Honor Roll, Reading and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards include AB Honor Roll. Braden Williams. Third and fourth 9 week awards include AB Honor Roll. Yearly awards include AB Honor Roll. Jolene Yang. Third and fourth 9 week awards. Perfect Attendance, Principal's Honor Roll, Reading and Math I-Ready. Yearly awards include AB Honor Roll. I'm so excited for you guys. You worked so hard this year. I'm so proud of all your awards that you have received. I wanted to remind you, don't forget to take your report card and go buy Krispy Kreme and get a free donut for every A on your report card. They will require you to show your report card, so enjoy your donuts. And also, you can go back during the presentation. I have read aloud. I knew you could. I thought this book was very fitting for this last period that we've gone through, this last 9 weeks of school. And guys, I never had any doubt. I knew you could do it. Families, you as well. And this right here just shows how we truly feel about you as a CFG family. You are amazing. When times got crazy, when times got hard, you jumped in. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your help. You have rocked this distance learning, and we appreciate you. Moms, dads, grandparents, babysitters, everyone, we could not have done it without you, and I am so thankful for each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a wonderful summer. You have my number. Please send me some pictures of hopefully you getting to do some fun things over the summer, playing outside, hopefully going to the beach or the mountains or taking a day trip with your family. I love to see your smiling faces, having fun, enjoying yourselves. So have a great summer. Don't forget to read a little while you're out over the summer. Maybe do a little math as well. But have a great summer. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. And I love you very much. It's been a great school year, guys. I miss you. And I will see you at the start of 3rd grade to wish you well.